Hi, Legal Naira here again, and today in this short video I want to show you why it is important to put your chapters, your title, introduction and conclusion on the left hand side of your screen while creating your book. If it appears on the left hand side of your screen, it's going to appear on the right hand side of your printed book. But if it appears on the right hand side of your printed book, it's going to appear on the left hand side or the flip side of the hard copy or your printed book. So let's make it practical now. I'm going to be using this book to give an example or to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Remember the book I used in explaining how to format books professionally for Amazon KDP? We are going to use that book to explain what we mean. So this is your book cover. Okay, this is the book cover. In my previous video, I explained how to design attractive book covers to increase sale. Now, this is the book cover. If you open it, the first page is your title page, which is Diabetes Recipes Cookbook on our screen. So we have the title page. Then the next page, which is the flip side of the title page, is your copyright page, like this. Okay, so let's make it practical. This is the first page, which is a title page, and this is your second page, which is the copyright page. As you can see, this is the first page and this is the copyright page. If we scroll down, the third page is going to be our table of contents, as it is here. As you can see, we have the table of contents appearing on the left hand side of our screen, but on the right hand side of our book, our printed book. So if you scroll down, that's why I told you that your table of contents must either be 2 pages or 4 pages. If your table of contents takes 3 pages, you must skip the 4th page and start your introduction or your chapters from the 5th page. Okay, this is the first page for our table of contents as it appears here. If we skip to the next page, we're going to see that this is the next page. This is the second page of the table of contents. This is it. Then the third page now, this is the third page. In our case, this is the third page appearing on the left hand side of our screen and on the right hand side of this book. And then this is the 4th page. This is the 4th page. As you can see, it took just 3 pages on this hardcover, but instead of them starting the introduction or the first chapter of this book from this side of the book, they didn't do that. They started from this side. As you can see, this is it. They left that page blank. So the way it is here now, this took 4 pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we started on the 5th page. We started our introduction on the 5th page, and that's exactly what happened here too. Assuming it's just 3 pages, let's say our table of contents took just 3 pages, page 1, page 2, and page 3, we are going to leave this whole page blank. Okay, we won't put anything on this page so that we can start our introduction from this page, which appears on the left hand side. I hope you understand. So let's continue. If you flip through the pages of this book, you see that the next chapter started on the right hand side. Okay, they didn't just end chapter 1 here and start another chapter here. No, whatever space is there, you will leave it. Even if it ended on this side, you have to leave this page blank, which is going to be the right hand side of your system, and then start from the next page. Let's try that on our screen. So as you scroll down, you see that the introduction ended here. I didn't start the chapter 1 here. I left that page, or I just added pictures there and then moved to the next page, which is the left hand side of my screen. And that is exactly how it's going to appear when the book is printed, like this. So every chapter, let's move to the next chapter. You scroll down, you see that after this chapter 1 ended here, I didn't just start chapter 2 from here. I moved to the next page on the left hand side of my screen, so it's going to appear on the right hand side of the printed book. if you keep scrolling down or if you keep flipping through the pages of this book, you will see that every chapter starts from the right hand side of the book, and that means that it was aligned to the left hand side on your screen. Okay, I hope I've been able to explain why having your chapters on the left hand side of your screen is best when formatting your book. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.